F major. This scale uses slightly different fingers to the other right hand scales, and we also have a flat, one B flat in the key. So we're going to start on F and go 1, 2, 3, 4, thumb under onto C, 1, 2, 3, 4. So your last finger up here is going to be your fourth finger, and that's okay. You come back down, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fourth crosses over onto B flat, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thumb under onto C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4 over, 4, 3, 2, 1. Using your fourth finger on the B flat is going to allow you to play more smoothly rather than doing 1, 2, 3 and thumb under. You can even try it and it just feels a bit more clumsy. For the left hand, we start on 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Third crosses over, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Thumb under, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Thumb under, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands together. Thumb under. Third over. Thumb under. Fourth over.